at a small flying model that I'm building from the Flair kit of the Hawker Fury. Traditional keel and former construction with stringers. Quite a fragile model to build. In particular around the nose here I've had to soak the strip wood in water, in hot water, to get the shape. So what I do is go to the tap, run it under the hot water, and then just bend it gently under my nail or my thumb, and then come and place it wet into the structure between the formers, allow that to dry, remove it, and then re-glue it back again. Beautiful shape fuselage. Can't you see the Hawker Hurricane shape in that fuselage? It really is a lovely design. Now this model, although it was intended for rubber power, I'm going to fit lightweight radio again. This is absolutely ideal. I've got a model over there, a similar size biplane, not a scale model, but that flies really well. And I'm going to incorporate all the knowledge that I achieved with that model into this Hawker Fury. So I'm not far off now doing side one. Once this is all dry, I shall remove it from the board, give it a good sand, and then add the other formers and the stringers, and then work on that side as well. The nose area, where the motor goes, I shall put a small bulkhead in for the motor, for the electric motor. I will actually sheet inside the stringers. It's a tedious job, but it gives you, once you sand it down, it gives you a lovely nose shape as well. So I will continue to do videos on this. Traditional modelling construction, bring back modelling as it was, as I say. A lot of pleasure to be had from it, and just do a little bit each day, a few formers or parts each day, and you soon get there. And the rewards are there. You get the beautiful shape, and also the structures very, very light. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the workbench.